will accrue 3,794 miles for today's flight. We'd also like to acknowledge and thank our Mileage Plus members for your loyalty and for each of you for choosing to fly with us today. As you know, every aircraft is different. Today you're on board the Boeing 777-300, and this is the largest aircraft in the United fleet. This aircraft has a number of unique features. With that, please direct your attention to this very important safety presentation. Thank you.
Secure for taxi, takeoff, and land. To release, push down on the middle fitting and lift.
Please take a moment to look around. In order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft, this Boeing 777 is equipped with 10 exit doors, 5 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. Slide racks are located at the exit doors shown on the safety card. In a water landing, slide racks detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. The 2 doors located over the wings are equipped with ramp slides and should not be used in a water landing unless advised by a crew member. If needed, lifelines are located in the door frames and equipment exits. All 10 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you open each exit, there's your seat. Remember, there may be
Window shades for our taxi and takeoff. If you have a device charging in the exit row, please disconnect the device at this time. This aircraft is equipped with infant life vest. If your infant or child that weighs 35 pounds or less has not yet received this valuable piece of safety equipment, please let one of your crew members know. We thank you for your attention and for flying with us today. As a reminder, please be sure that your carry-on items and tray tables are stowed, that your seat back is fully upright, and your seat belt is securely fastened. For those of you in our Polaris cabins, you have an additional shoulder harness to attach. Also, for those of you seated in the Polaris and Premium Economy seats, please be sure that your footrests are also stowed at this time. We will be airborne shortly and back to you with more details about our flight after takeoff. Again, welcome aboard.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
Aloha everyone, welcome to Honolulu. The local time is approximately 6:29 Hawaiian Standard Time. You've crossed the international date line. Today is November 24th. Excuse me. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, and then all of your carry-on items remain stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please make sure you have all of your personal belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead compartments. For those of you that were issued an exit line vest, please leave them on the seats for our flight attendants to collect at the end of the flight. We will be arriving at the main terminal of the baggage claim area to the customs hall. Please feel free to obtain a complimentary luggage card in the baggage claim area to claim your luggage. If you transit to Honolulu to another flight, proceed with your luggage to lobby 4 to recheck any luggage. Then proceed through security and then to your gate. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, pricing, and your entire Honolulu and Guam-based in-flight crew, we'd like to thank you for flying the friendly skies. We hope you've had a pleasant flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. For those of you traveling off to other destinations, we hope you have a safe and peaceful journey. For those of you staying here on Hawaii, we hope you have a memorable stay. To those of you lucky enough to call Hawaii your home, we bid you a long-awaited welcome home. Have our sincere mahalo for flying with us today. Until we meet again, we bid you a fond aloha.